Have you ever wondered what a professional affiliate marketing website looks like? Do you often wonder how to reach the actual potential of professional affiliate marketing through the website? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper knowledge of building a website to do professional affiliate marketing? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about build your own affiliate website free. Now let's get into it. Here is a free 10-step program that will guide you through the steps to build and publish your own website. Follow these easy 10 steps, and grab your part of the $54 million internet boom. You can own an incredible affiliate website of your own and take advantage of the many outstanding money-making opportunities on the internet. Number 1. Website marketing. Before you do anything else, get yourself some good books on website marketing. There are a lot of good ones available on the internet. Most are not very expensive, and many are free. You can find a list of free and inexpensive ebooks you can download here. You can find more if you like by searching on one of the search engines like Google or AltaVista. It's important that you do this first because you will save yourself a lot of time and aggravation if you learn from the experts what you should be doing before you build your website. Number 2. Build your website. It is best to build your own website. Most hosting sites have a built-in website builder that you can use for free. Read step number 3, Web Hosting Companies, to learn more about these options. If you prefer to purchase your own website building program, Dreamweaver and FrontPage are probably the most popular programs available. They both offer free 30-day trials and can be downloaded at Macromedia Dreamweaver MX 2004 and Microsoft FrontPage 2003. This site building tools page will help you find a variety of tools and software to help you build and customize your website. Number 3. Web hosting companies. Find a good web hosting company. There are an awful lot of web hosting companies competing for your business, and you should spend a little time researching some of them. Print a list of each site feature and compare them. Website statistics are a must. It enables you to see where your traffic is coming from and which ads are drawing in customers. Technical support that is open 24/7 is also very important. Number 4. Get your own domain name. You will need your own domain name. There are hundreds of companies that will help you select a domain name and register it for a nominal fee. Check with your web host first. Most offer to register your domain name for you with their package. You should always own your own domain name. Do not use a free domain name. Many sites such as GeoCities or Yahoo will offer you a free domain name, but it does not belong to you. Number 5. Content for your website. Content is king. Remember this when building your site. People browse the net for information, and you must have good content to attract and keep the attention of people visiting your site. Fill your pages with interesting content about your website's subject. If your website is about shopping, then write about things that pertain to shopping. You can get free articles to paste on your site from a variety of places. Click on Content Sources for a list of free articles that you can use on your site. You can also get much of the content you need from your merchants, or you can write your own. Number 6. Sign up for affiliate programs. Once you have your website built, it's easy to get merchants that will pay you a commission on sales referred to them through your website. Affiliate programs are available from individual merchants and from affiliate program companies that offer a variety of merchant affiliate programs on one site. They supply you with banners, text, and advertising information that you can use on your site. Many of them offer tutorials, website building tips, and marketing advice to help make you successful. Just click on My Affiliate Programs and select the merchants you would like to sign up with. They will guide you through the sign-up process. Number 7. Site promotions. Promoting your site is one of the most important parts of owning a website. A website without any visitors is useless. Once you've built and published your site, you need to promote it properly to attract a steady flow of traffic. There are a lot of 𝐤𝐤𝐬𝐷𝑠, internet magazines, and inexpensive or free classified internet ads that work very well. Most affiliate programs will offer advice on promoting your site, and they can be a great source of information and advice. Take all the advice you can get. The best I have found, and the one I use the most, is Adland Pro, and I would check them out when you're looking. Number 8. Optimize and submit your site. Next, but by far the most important, you need to optimize your website and submit it to the search engines. There are a lot of services available that you can purchase that will optimize your site and offer to get you rated on the search engines. Be careful when looking at one of these services, and remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. There are also software programs you can buy for a lot less money and do yourself. I definitely recommend buying your own software. It will cost you a lot less money in the long run, especially if you start building more websites, which most of us do. Click on Website Optimizers for the latest list of the best and easiest to use software available. Number 9. Link to other sites. There are a lot of ways to get good ratings on search engines, and you should read everything you can find to get advice, but the most important thing to remember is you need to link to other websites. I can't stress this point enough. Search engine robots place a lot of importance on how many links you have coming into your website. You can make your own link directory, but it is difficult, and you're a lot better off with a professionally made one. One of the best on the market is Zeus. It's the one I use, so you can get the basic one free, and it may be all you will need. I recommend you get the free one first. You can always upgrade later if you think you will need the extra features of the Pro model. Number 10. Shopping carts and accepting credit cards. All of your merchants will have their own shopping carts, accept most major credit cards, and handle all sales. They keep track of your sales activity and send your commission checks to you. If, however, you want to sell your own merchandise or ebooks on your website, you will need to set up a shopping cart program and accept credit cards. There are a lot of shopping cart programs you can purchase, and if you have a very large store you are setting up, they may be worth looking into. If you were just planning on selling a few items of your own on your affiliate site, however, it probably wouldn't be worth the money. And, with that, we've reached the end of this video all about build your own affiliate website free. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases as always. Thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon at the next one.